Hi all, this is Professor Fox. I understand there's a little confusion about the broadcast assignment, so I thought I'd record this short audio with sort of video of the screen to help you understand it a little better. So if we're in tracks and we're looking at the broadcast writing assignment, the first thing you see is a writing practice, which is optional. This lets you look at some facts or some stories and practice writing in broadcast style. But the assignment really is here. The broadcast writing assignment calls for you to write a script based on the work you did for your diverse sources story. So you went out and interviewed people for your diverse sources story, and those interviews that you did, if we were doing this for broadcast, we would have recorded video or at least audio, and we would call those sound bites if we're talking about the broadcast world. In our digital world, online or in print, we call them quotes, right? You type them out. But when we're talking about being on radio or on TV, we call them sound bites or sound on tape. So you're going to choose your best couple of quotes to be your sound bites. And you're going to write a story in broadcast style, sort of introducing the issue and saying, like, here's what a few people say about that. It's going to be a minute to a minute 30, so you'll use those guidelines from the lecture that tell you how long, how many words that needs to be. You'll write it in broadcast style. You'll type out those sound bites or quotes with identifying each person the way you would on air, and then submit that as a Word doc. Now, if you're an electronic media major, it makes sense for you to do this in all caps the way we do it at a TV station or a radio station, but that is optional. You may do upper and lowercase if you'd like, and you can look at the sample script here to sort of give you an idea of style. We don't get to spend that much time on broadcast writing, unfortunately, but it is important for you to get a little bit of exposure on this. Please let me know if you have any more questions.